After a month-long wait, a Fairfax County, Virginia jury heard closing arguments on Friday as Johnny Depp's defamation trial against his ex-wife Amber Heard comes to a close. The jury has now been sent to deliberate in Johnny Depp's $50 million defamation trial against ex-wife Amber Heard. The Pirates of the Caribbean actor is suing his ex-wife for $50 million over allegations Heard made about domestic abuse when she penned a 2018 opinion piece in The Washington Post about being a survivor of domestic abuse. Heard has filed a countersuit that includes a request for $100 million in damages. The jury will be asked to decide both claims. On Friday, Depp and Heard's legal teams had 2 hours to summarize their case in a trial that has stretched on for 6 weeks. Johnny Depp's lawyers asked a jury Friday to give Mr. Depp his life back by finding that his ex-wife, Amber Heard, committed libel. Heard ruined his life by falsely telling the world she was a survivor of domestic abuse at the hands of Mr. Depp, lawyer Camille Vasquez told the jury in closing arguments. Depp is hoping the 6-week trial will help restore his reputation, though it has turned into a spectacle of a vicious marriage, with broadcast cameras in the courtroom capturing every twist to an increasingly rapt audience as fans weighed in on social media and lined up overnight for coveted courtroom seats. This case for Mr. Depp has never been about money, said Depp lawyer Benjamin Chu. It is about Mr. Depp's reputation and freeing him from the prison in which he has lived for the last 6 years. Heard's lawyer, J. Benjamin Rottenborn, said the lawsuit is not about Depp's reputation but is part of an ongoing smear campaign Depp launched after Heard filed for divorce. In Mr. Depp's world, you don't leave Mr. Depp, he said. If you do, he will start a campaign of global humiliation against you. Both sides rested their case on Thursday afternoon. During the course of the trial, Heard testified about more than a dozen episodes of physical and sexual assault that she said Depp inflicted on her, and Depp says he never struck Heard and that she concocted the abuse allegations to gain an advantage in divorce proceedings. Related, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard rest their case in the trial. Closing arguments begin Friday. Also on Thursday, the Aquaman actress returned to the stand in her defense. "This is horrible. This is painful," Heard said in an emotional state. She continued by saying Johnny has taken enough of my voice, and that she has a right, as an American, to tell her side of the story and claim her name back. Depp also returned to the stand Wednesday as a rebuttal witness. He called his ex-wife's accusations of sexual and physical abuse insane, ridiculous, humiliating, ludicrous, painful, savage, unbelievably brutal, cruel, and all false, Depp said when asked about his reaction to hearing Heard's allegations when she testified earlier in the trial. Depp concluded his testimony with a final denial of the allegations. "I have never in my life committed sexual battery, physical abuse, all these outlandish, outrageous stories of me committing these things," he said. "And living with it for 6 years, and waiting to be able to bring the truth out." The jury has already heard from both Depp and Heard extensively. Each was on the stand for 4 days, undergoing grueling cross-examinations. This is the final week of the month-long trial, which began on April 11th. The trial is being held in Fairfax County because Heard's lawyers had sought to have the case tried in California, where the actors reside. But a judge ruled that Depp was within his rights to bring the case in Virginia because the Washington Post's computer servers for its online edition are located in the county. Depp's lawyers have said they brought the case in Virginia in part because the laws here are more favorable to their case. Jury deliberations will begin when the closing arguments conclude.